Welcome to our tutorial on applying material. Let's start by creating a solid. Activate the rectangle command. Let's drop some rectangles onto our workspace. Let's apply dimensions. Double-click. Let's enter 60 millimeters. OK. Let's double-click on this dimension. In the value field, we'll enter an equal sign and click on this dimension. Click OK. Now this dimension is formula-driven. Select this point and Control-select the center point. Constraint. Right-click. Coincidence. Now the sketch is green and fully defined. Let's exit the sketch. Let's activate the pad command. Length 60 millimeters. Preview. OK. You can get to the Apply Material toolbar by selecting View, Toolbars. In our case, it is active, and it's located right here. Let's activate it to open CATIA's default material library. CATIA comes with a number of materials we can choose from. Applying material affects the physical and mechanical properties of an element. Material density is one property that is affected. For example, material can be applied to a part, body, a surface, a geometrical set, and so on. Double-clicking on a material icon lets us access its Properties dialog window. Let's click Cancel for now. Let's select the Stone tab and select Marble 2. We'll click OK at this point. By the way, in order to preview a material, we need to select Shading with Material. Let's expand our tree. Here is our material, Marble 2. We can double-click. Let's position it. We can adjust the size. Let's unlock it. We can change the mapping type. Let's go back to cubicle mapping. The Lighting tab lets us manipulate the lighting parameters of the material. We can also manipulate the parameters of the material such as density, maximum deformation, limit deformation, and so on. Let's return to the Texture tab. If you like, you can use a custom image by clicking here to open the File selection window. CATIA lets you use a number of types, TIFFs, JPEGs, Photoshop docs, and so on. I'll use this JPEG and click Open. Now let's position it. And we can change the orientation and so on. When you're done, click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on applying material.